Assembly, Islam. लव फॉर ऑल, हेट्रेड फॉर नन। इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है सभी के लिए प्रेम, नफरत किसी के लिए नहीं। थैंक यू कर्सी कैडेट यश मौर्य, स्कूल सिंह सैनिक स्कूल। असेंबली सावधान। असेंबली प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार। प्रार्थना शुरू कर।
सुबह सवेरे करते आना प्रभु।
Nityam. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brother and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of. Its rich. And wide heritage. I shall strive. To be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy to my country, and all my people, attach my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, lies my happiness. Jai Hind, Jai Sete, Assembly, Vishram.
Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is only who can see invisible can do invisible. I repeat my thought, only who can see invisible can do invisible. But thank you Kursi Cadet Manas Negi class 6 course Sainik School Ghodakar.
Good morning all of you. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, some international news. 11 killers, Myanmar protester first troops. UK cases drop 60% due to vax curbs. Now some national news. FIRB close outsider after 14 cases surface. PM asks states to check laxity in the containing COVID. At last, some sports news. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma will both looking for a winning start when MI own a RCB and IPL openers in the Chennai tonight. Afraid surprised South Africa is letting players travel for IPL in the Middle East series. Kursi Cadet Arpit Sidhu, Class 8, School, Singh Sainik School.
Good morning everyone. Today's the topic of my speech is Para Special Force. Para Special Forces known as Para SF is the special force of Indian Army. It is attached to the Parachute Regiment. Its unit heritage stems from World War II with the 15th Parachute Brigade on the October 1941. 9 Para SF raised in 1966 as 9 Parachute Brigadiers is the oldest among 8 Para-SF units of the Indian Army. Para-SF operations is assault team which work individually behind the enemy line. In the mid of 1980s, there was the plan to take 3 Para-SF commando battalions from the Parachute Regiment and bring them together under the individual special organization. Thank you. Name Somil Kumar, course Sainik School, Gorakhan 9th School, Singh Sainik School.
Good morning everyone, and word of the day is parlous. Spelling P-A-R, L-O-U-S, lust. Total parlous. Parts of speech, adjective. हिंदी में मतलब होता है जोखिमी. Synonyms, bad, dreadful. Antonyms, good, comfortable. Now the question of the day. When World Day of Social Justice is celebrated? Anyone of you knows the answer? I repeat the question. When World Day of Social Justice is celebrated? The correct answer is 20 February. Thank you and have a nice day.
everyone. Today my quote of the day is love for all, hate for none. सभी के लिए प्रेम, नफरत किसी के लिए नहीं. Thank you. Karthik Yashmoria, class 6th, school, Senior School.
Assembly, सावधान. Staff members, बाएं मुड़. Assembly, राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर. भारत माता की. मैनेजमेंट स्टाफ लाइन तोड़. टीचिंग स्टाफ लाइन तोड़. ऑफिस स्टाफ लाइन तोड़. अकेडमी लाइन तोड़. नोट ऑन द बीट टू बी ऑन.